Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Mirya with Mirya Makeup. Don't forget to subscribe in the box down here. Click the button, hit the bell, make sure you're getting the notifications anytime my video is posted. Also, all of my social media is Mirya Makeup except Pinterest, which is Mirya G Makeup. The Boxycharm August unboxing 2018. And I'm actually really excited about this one, a little bit more so than the July one. July was kind of like it was okay for me. Now, August, I'm really in love with. I've kind of taken a sneak peek into the box and everything, but I haven't actually used any of the items. I did swatch the palette, and we'll get to that later. Now, as far as the card with the information in this box, there's been a little bit of an issue, and I was just double checking underneath the foam to make sure that, see, this is how it comes, like this foam here and stuff, and I was checking underneath here to see if the card was under that. It's not. So I thought maybe it was in here. Well, what I found was that in that box was the postcard from the July, and this is the August box. This was from July, and this was in my August Boxycharm. Not a huge deal or anything like that, but I thought that was a little strange that I wouldn't get the information about this current box. But Fakes are a large company. They're still in process of getting everything moving and everything like that as well. So I just wanted to, don't have a pricing right now. I haven't bothered to look it up at the moment. I will link it down below once I get everything together and such. But like right now, it is literally 1 a.m. and this is the third video I've done tonight together. Anyway, so let's get into it. The Bang Beauty. That one is actually going to be, so this is one that I was really looking forward to. I've heard wonderful things about this particular product, and it is the Chocolate Gel Eyeliner. Now, most of the people that I've heard talk about this have not liked it as an eyeliner. Most everyone that I've heard talk about this one has used it as an eyebrow liner or eyebrow filler, gel, pomade, whatever you want to call it. And apparently it has worked out really well as that. It seems a bit chunky and like, I don't know if it was a powder, I would say it's chalky, but maybe you just gotta warm it up or something. I don't know, like. It can also, yeah, never mind. But that, okay, so apparently you do have to warm it up a bit because it will get the pigment going. And so I'm going to try it and see, because I think that given the color of my hair, what hair's up here? Given the color of my hair, my eyebrows, my eyelashes, my eyes, it's probably going to be a really good match for my eyebrows. So I'll give it a chance and see how it goes, and we'll just go from there. I don't have a price on it right now, so I can't give you that. So on to the next item. It is is it Adesse? I'm not sure. I haven't looked up the pronunciation, but I'm going to say that it's like a French pronunciation, so Adesse, maybe? Anyway, not a huge deal. I do like the fact that this is a cuticle oil, sweet almond cuticle oil, and it is organic infused, age-defying nail treatment essentials. Nail treatment essentials is a complete product range developed to restore your nails to their healthiest and most beautiful natural states. Okay. The anti-aging nail system cleanses, repairs, and fortifies, primes, and protects nails and cuticles. Okay, I'm good with that. Okay. So this says it's 12 free, so it doesn't contain everything I can't pronounce. Go figure, right? Anyway, so I'm actually really looking forward to this, and it, just a little box comes in a nice little glass bottle like this. And pull it out, like do like that and such. And yeah. Ooh, it actually smells really nice. The more you watch my videos, the more you'll notice that I like to smell everything. Like everything has its own scent. Even if people say it doesn't have a smell, it usually does. And my nose is very sensitive too, so I can't really tolerate strong odors around my face. So I don't smell almond, I smell coconut. But it's a sweet almond oil, so maybe that's why, because it's kind of got a similar scent to it. But I'm actually really looking forward to that because, I mean, look at my nails. They're kind of crabby looking. Anyway, so on to the next. House of Lashes Boudoir Mini. See if we can get that glare. There we go. Get that glare gone. Ooh, it's pretty. I'm really, really looking forward to trying these on. I've heard wonderful things about their lashes. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is how thick the band is, because it's not really something that. Sorry, my cat like has this fly in here, and she's like still trying to fight it, and it just flew right in front of me. Anyway, so I'm really looking forward to these lashes. Now, the Smashbox. Let's see here. Wait a second. There was something else about these that I heard. Sometimes less is more. Our mini lash collection provides the perfect enhancement of the natural beauty of your eye by providing a full yet natural looking lash, handcrafted to perfection using human hair, or premium synthetic blends. Ultra lightweight, easy to apply, and reusable, ideal for regular wear, special occasions. I apologize for the laugh. I'm laughing at myself because of the reaction that I had when I read human hair. It's like, yeah, that kind of like creeps me out a little bit. Like, yeah. Okay, so anyway, so Smashbox, always on liquid lipstick. This one is in the color Fair Game and 8-hour power pouch. 8-hour power pouch. That's funny. Okay, this comfortable matte liquid lipstick was created in our LA photo studio to last 8 hours on set. Proprietary primer oil, complex with jojoba, apricot, and sunflower oil, non-drying and non-feathering, precision tip lines and fills. That's good. Hopefully it holds up to what it says. To use, define the lip with precise tip and fill in with color. Wipe off with oil-based remover, which makes sense because most oil-based products that are on the face, on the skin, if you have difficulty getting them off, use an oil-based cleanser or oil-based cleaner of some sort, makeup remover. That will help tremendously. And if you don't happen to have an oil-based cleanser around, mineral oil, aka baby oil, really does help too. So just in case. So apparently I'm going to have to edit the fly out of this. So I'm loving the color of this. That is a really, really pretty nude. I don't know if you can like really see that shade, but I'm digging on this. I'm digging on this. I'm looking forward to using it. And it looks like this one, once, oh, whoop, okay. Apparently I can't hold on to the box either. It doesn't have a thing on here that I can see that says anything about how long it stays good once it's opened. Not a problem, but I'm still looking forward to using it anyway. It's going to be really nice looking. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about these. Now, the baggage claim gold eye masks. These are $19 a piece. Is it 18 or 19? I think these are $19 a piece. But they're baggage claim gold eye mask. And it's for like right up under here on your eye and everything, kind of get your eye hydrated and get it looking really good. You kind of give some of that natural saltness and fullness back to your eye. Kind of get rid of the dark circles and everything like that too. And let's see here. Innovative gold foil retains maximum hydration. Individually packaged gold foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Experience 3 innovative layers of luxury. I'm not going to read all of that, but I'm looking forward to using it too, because, you know, look at this mess here. Yeah, I look really exhausted, but I'm not really all that tired right now. But the one item that I really wanted to get to talk about is this bad boy right here. The Laura Lee Party Animal Palette. That is absolutely gorgeous packaging. There was a lot of work put into this, I think, to make it look good. And I'm not going to get into any of the other stuff. There we go. Finally. Okay, so I did swatch this, and I can say I'm a little disappointed in the staying power, but the color is gorgeous. I mean, you get a mirror on it in the palette as well, so it's really not in that bad. I mean, it's not cheaply made by any means. It's actually a fairly good quality. Now, in regards to these colors, now, I mean, seriously, look at those colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And they're nowhere near as brilliantly, they're not as vibrant. That's the word I was looking for. They're not as vibrant on camera as they are in person. Yeah, okay. Never mind. Anyway, so I have swatched it and such. There was no staining at all from any of the shadows, or pigments as they're called. It was made very clear that this is not an eyeshadow palette, it is a pigment palette, which means you pack the color on and then blend it out. You don't like feather it on like you would like an eyeshadow. It's not going to work the exact same way. However, if you use a really, really light hand, I could see being able to do that. But my problem with it is that I know that there had been some issues with consistency of the product itself throughout different batches and such. Some batches were looking really good, some batches weren't looking so good with the swatches, with the usage, things of that nature. I don't know if there was an issue with the consistency between the batches or anything, but I do know that with this one, it was very chalky. It was very powdery. There was a lot of fallout. And I will do an actual review on this palette specifically at a later time. But I do like the colors. They are usable. They're very pretty. They do work well. But as a swatch, it's not good at all. If you go by the swatches, which a lot of people really do need to understand and realize that with swatches, they don't, wow, that looks terrible. Swatches don't necessarily show you or tell you what it's going to do on your eyes or what it's going to look like on your eyes. When it comes to swatches, they really don't matter because it's going to work, it's going to perform differently, it's going to look differently on your eyes than it does on your hand or your arm. And I tend to do it like right on my arm here. But yeah, it's yeah, but I just don't really think that the palette was all that great. But maybe if I, using it some more, trying a different eye primer, you know, maybe trying a wet brush or something, that might work. But I am going to give it a try. I'm going to see how things go with it and everything. But beyond that, I'm not holding out a lot of faith for it. Beyond that, and I was going to purchase the sister palette for it, but after seeing the performance of the swatches and the usage on my eyes of that particular palette, I don't know that I would purchase it myself. So if it hadn't come in the box, I probably wouldn't have used it. So anyway, I mean, it's buildable, it's usable, the colors are pretty and everything, but I wouldn't say that it's anything. I don't think it's worth the $19 that's being charged for it, but that's just my opinion. Take it or leave it. Have a good night, everybody. Good day, where depending on where you're at. Mirya out.